So till now you guys saw about power, energy and problems based on these things, correct? So now you will be learning about collisions. Now you guys already know what is a collision, right? I don't have to tell you what is a collision. Now what I would like to infer from this particular word collision is whenever two or more particles they come in contact, physical contact, we call that as collision, right? Now collisions happen from very small, that is from microscopic level to cosmic level, everywhere. Okay, see here earth has some angle of tilting, we call it, right? So earth has been tilted by 23.5 degrees. Now how did that happen? Now actually this is the scientific explanation that very long ago, like billions of years ago, a huge object, it came and crashed on earth. So because of that, earth has been tilted by 23.5 degrees. So after that, now if I start coming down to smaller and smaller level, so from that particular level, a lot of meteors actually come and crash on earth. So even that is also a collision. And then it could be any road accidents or it could be anything. Those are also collisions, right? And then if you actually go on some windy place, okay, or if you, let's say you're cycling or you're going on a bike, you feel that gush of air coming, correct? That's basically collision of air molecules onto your face. All right. And then even if we go smaller, that is every time, suppose let's say you flash a light, here photons are coming and colliding with atoms. So what we can infer from this is to smallest of the smallest level, that is from the microscopic level to cosmic level, collisions happen every day, each and every day. Now, since we are talking about collision, you guys need to know that there are different types of collisions. Okay. Now, first one is elastic collision. Now, when we talk about elastic collision, so in this particular collision, the kinetic energy will be the same, or we can say kinetic energy is constant. Okay. So see here, the examples what we can take is atomic scale collisions are usually elastic collisions. Okay. Now the next one is inelastic collision. Now this inelastic collision, the kinetic energy is not constant. Almost all the examples you see in day-to-day life, they're inelastic collision. Okay, like let's say you throw a ball to the floor, okay, or let's say you throw a ball to the wall. So here the ball will come back, whereas the kinetic energy will not be the same. Okay, so these are inelastic collision. There is one more, that is perfectly inelastic collision. So here what happens is, let's say two objects will collide, both of them will start moving in the same direction. Okay, so this is a perfectly inelastic collision. For example, let's say you take a clay and you throw it onto the wall. Now the clay will go and stick to the wall, right? So here this is an example for a perfectly inelastic collision, because the wall is not moving. The clay, once it collides with the wall, that is also like it stopped, right? So here this is a perfectly inelastic collision. So in the next videos you will see different types of mathematical expressions for these collisions.